How did you find Islam?
So I came to Bali as a non-Muslim, and I went to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, as a non-Muslim. They don't disrespect, but distance is closer. Like, hey, what's up? Oh, can I take picture? I said okay because I went to Kuala Lumpur for vacation, and I asked some photographers and videographers to take some nice picture, and they didn't touch me. They was like, are you hungry? Like.
Jadi orang taunya dia pernah bermain film Ika-Ika dengan seenaknya, ya nggak bisa kayak gitu, geng ya, sampai memegang-megang. Nah itu nggak bisa, geng ya, dan nggak boleh, nggak ada adab yang seperti itu, geng ya. Tapi kalau di Malaysia ternyata lain cerita, geng ya. Wah, ini mantap.
Assalamualaikum, Rek, what's the deal? Got John cruising like a spinning wheel, round and round with a cheeky grin. Life's a ride and we dive right in. Every corner got a story to tell.
Hey, what's up, Re? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai Re, bertemu lagi ada saya di sini, Wak Lonjong, salam lonjong. Hiya. Apa kabar kawan-kawan? Semoga semua dalam kondisi yang sehat, Re ya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Oke, geng, sesuai dengan tajuk DVD ini karena ada rame yang request sih, geng ya, dari ruang komentar, dari DM Instagram, geng ya, dari channel Mosa Up to Date, geng. Wah, ini tolong kawan-kawan ya, harus kena fokus dengan topik pembahasan kita kali ini, geng ya. Pertama kali tahu Islam di Malaysia, bekas pemain film Corn, film jagung maksudnya, geng ya, atau film film Ika-Ika. Nah, akhirnya mualaf. Wow, sampai dapat jemputan, dapat undangan dari beberapa podcast ya, artis Indonesia, dan mereka sampai terkejut, geng ya, mendengar Islam di Malaysia. Waduh. Tolong sekali lagi fokus, geng ya. Jujur aku sendiri tuh nggak tahu, geng ya, artis Jepun ini ternyata bekas pemain film jagung, geng ya. Karena ya aku nggak pernah lihat, geng, yang seperti ini. Aku nggak pernah lihat, geng. Terus terang, aku kan orang baik-baik, geng ya. Jadi nggak pernah lah, geng ya, nonton seperti itu.
Memang babi yang gue nih.
Oke, fokus, gurau, geng ya. Oke, geng ya. Sebelum kita mulai video ini, seperti biasanya hanya sekedar mengingatkan, geng, untuk kawan-kawan yang mungkin belum sholat, ya jangan lupa sholat dulu. Dan kalian yang teringin belanja shopping, geng ya, dekat Shopee, silakan kalian cek, pantau link yang ada di bawah video ini, geng ya. Ada berbagai barang yang dijual, siapa tahu kalau sesuai dengan kalian, boleh kalian silakan check out sekarang juga, geng ya. Oke, kita akan coba untuk melihat bersama-sama sampai dengan selesai, geng. Seperti apa cerita dari pemain ya, bekas, geng ya, bukan pemain tapi bekas pemain film Ika-Ika, geng ya, sampai dia bisa kali pertama mengetahui Islam di Malaysia. Itu seperti apa ceritanya, geng ya. Kita lihat sampai dengan selesai, geng.
Publik dikejutkan dengan pengakuan mengejutkan dari Rai Lil Black,
Lil Black,
mantan aktris film dewasa asal Jepang, yang secara terbuka menyampaikan keputusan dirinya untuk memeluk agama Islam.
Mantap.
Keputusannya ini bukan tanpa alasan. Dalam wawancara bersama media, Rai menyebut bahwa titik balik spiritualnya justru terjadi saat berkunjung ke Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Pengalaman mendalam yang ia rasakan selama berada di negeri jiran tersebut menjadi awal mula dari perjalanan keimanannya yang kini menuai sorotan banyak pihak, termasuk media dan publik Indonesia.
You see Muslims at the true Muslims?
No, I moved to Bangkok and then I made a vacation in Kuala Lumpur.
I see.
Oh, di Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, our neighbors.
What is the tipping point?
They were just very respectful and nice, and this I really, now I think for me it's a very important thing. But giving kindness, giving smile, giving the hospitality is a big dawah.
Yeah.
Because it can be their turning point, and that happened to me.
Okay. But who are they?
I went to Kuala Lumpur for vacation, and I asked some photographers and videographers to take some nice picture, and they didn't touch me. They was like, are you hungry? Like, you have
Yeah.
time, but do you want to see something? Oh, this is our masjid.
Do they know?
Sangat
who you are?
menghormati ya.
Yes,
So they know.
yes.
Okay. And when you visit Europe or other countries, when people know who you are, what they normally do?
Disrespect.
Actually, my fans they don't disrespect, but distance is closer. And like, hey, what's up?
Yeah.
Oh, can I take picture? I said okay because I usually
Yeah.
try to be nice, but they grab my
Yeah.
here.
Ah.
I was like,
They get what?
okay,
Your
like hip or body, and I was like, okay,
Yeah.
Like
Aduh.
Disrespectful.
But isn't it? I mean, you feel annoyed by that because when you say you do your adult industry, it's only when works.
yes,
This is real life,
yeah.
people
So
touch
I was like, okay, oh,
but it's not.
Ya
Like,
pastilah
a little bit
nggak nyaman lah.
Yeah. I think like a comedian when they are meeting someone, then they said,
Nah,
Because
ya.
lah.
yeah, exactly. Like
Nah.
they expect me to be so this in the real life, but I am not.
yeah.
Ya,
I
ya,
wasn't.
ya, ya. Ya terkadang orang itu begitu, geng ya. Tahu kalau wah ini bekas pemain begitu, geng ya, film Ika-Ika. Tapi terkadang orang itu di luar sana tidak bisa menyesuaikan ya, mana yang realnya, mana yang tidak. Maksudnya begini, geng. Terkadang orang itu berbuat sesuatu itu dengan orang yang dia pernah tahu itu sesuai dengan apa yang dia lihat di TV atau di sosial media. Misal ada komedian, wah ini orangnya lucu nih, bisa diajak gurau nih. Ternyata yang mungkin tidak sama, geng, dengan realita kehidupannya itu seperti apa. Nah ini sama nih dengan si Ray ini, geng ya. Jadi orang taunya dia pernah bermain film Ika-Ika dengan seenaknya, ya nggak bisa kayak gitu, geng ya, sampai memegang-megang. Nah itu nggak bisa, geng ya, dan nggak boleh, nggak ada adab yang seperti itu, geng ya. Tapi kalau di Malaysia ternyata lain cerita, geng ya. Wah ini mantap.
So they tried to do something, but I'm like,
Yeah. It's like when I go to some place, then they found me and they said that do some dakwah to me.
Yeah, it's so stupid. I mean, you meet a boxer, you ask him to punch you. It's supposed to be like that.
How did you find Islam?
so I came to Bali as a non-Muslim, and I went to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur as a non-Muslim, and I went to south of Thailand as a non-Muslim.
Oke.
And this area, you see a lot of Muslim people, and I met so many people who is so kind, who is so respectful, who has a very nice hospitality, and I was like, oh, I have never met this many Muslim people in my life.
Iya
Well, of
sih.
course in Japan we don't have so many, and I was like, oh, it's a new opportunity. Like everything happened for a reason. Something is telling me to maybe know Islam.
You learn about Bible for 10 years.
Yes.
Sempat belajar Bible juga, geng.
So what you very interested about Islam, not the other religion?
Why?
Why you interest with Islam, not the other religion? Because you already read the Bible, so you already know about Buddhism, and we already know about Al Quran. So why you choose Islam?
I didn't choose. Allah guided me.
Wow.
I didn't choose.
He chose you.
He chose me.
What is the story? You can convert to Islam.
Almost 10 months ago, I went to Malaysia, just very randomly.
Oke, random
And then
ya.
before that, I went to Bali. So, I went to Bali, I went to Malaysia, and then I went to south of Thailand, which is very close to Malaysia. It's next to it, right? Thailand and Malaysia. And then unexpectedly, I met a lot of Muslim people. I went to Islamic event, but I didn't know, but I just went. I
Okay.
thought that it's some different event, but it was an Islamic event, like a spiritual event. I was like, oh, okay, well, I didn't know that this is Islamic event, but okay, it's something interesting because people are so enthusiastic. The speaker was talking about Quran, and then how to educate ourselves, how to motivate ourselves every day. And then I was like, oh, I have never seen this kind of energy before, and I was like, it's very interesting. I never expected this, but you know what? Everything happens for a reason, and I didn't think that this is it, but I just sit 3 hours and listened.
This whole conversion or reversion, if you will, we notice as followers of your TikTok that you start donning the hijab when you were in KL, Malaysia. Did Malaysia had anything to do with this reversion of yours?
Definitely. First, I actually went to Bali, and then right after that, I went to KL. In KL, I wore the hijab for the first time through my whole days because I wanted to visit a masjid, or like I wanted to meet some Muslim people, and then they were so nice to me. Like they welcomed me with like their arm open. So I was like, okay, these people are so nice. Why don't I try to understand their culture? And then now I learn how to pray. I watched YouTube so many times, and then I go to a masjid and then try to pray for the first time. It was messed up. Now that I think of it, because I went to Maghrib prayer. I only did 2 rakats because I didn't understand fully, but I did it anyway because I was
niatnya yang penting ya.
help from something big, some powerful, and then I did it, and I was like, I felt so light. I feel like my worry is less. If I keep praying, I feel like I am going to be better and better. From this first Maghrib prayer, I started to pray daily.
Ray, what is your advice to people and they like to explore?
Salah lagi.
My worry is less. If I keep praying, I feel like I am going to be better and better. From this first Maghrib prayer, I started to pray daily.
Mantap geng ya, Masya Allah. Perancangan Allah adalah sebaik-baik perancang geng. Kadang mu'alaf macam dia ini geng ya, lebih beriman dari yang lahir Islam. Walaupun sejarah dia macam tu lah geng ya, dia tetap beriman kepada Allah walau dihina karena sejarah dia sebelum Islam geng ya. Semoga Allah senantiasa membimbing dia geng dan mempermudah perjalanan dia sebagai seorang muslimah geng ya. Mantap ya Allah. Ini aku tumpang bahagia geng, meremang aku mendengar cerita ini geng ya.
Maghrib prayer, I started to pray daily.
Ray, what is your advice to people and they like to explore Islam a bit more? The first few steps to understanding Islam.
Visit Muslim countries and talk to people. Go to masjid. Just look at it and then feel how you feel, because I think everybody in certain places you feel special.
Right.
You are not Muslim, but you cry or something because you feel some big power or like almighty, whatever makes you move. So you have to like start moving, acting forward. Unless he repents, believes, and work righteous deeds, for Allah will change the evil of such persons into good, and Allah is of forgiving, most merciful.
Amazing.
Because I feel like it's matching the right time that I read, and then if you want to change, it will help. Because I met Islam in the right timing, and that makes me believe that Islam makes me become a better person, makes me become a better daughter, and makes me become inshallah, a future wife. So I chose.
Okay.
They don't judge. My parents are strict and conservative, but still they see the differences in me, and they are trying to understand about me and Islam. And when I am at home, they don't eat pork, they don't cook pork in front of me. Oh, I went back during Ramadan, and they respect my fasting. So we only had dinner together, but they still are like, okay, that's what you do, and we're okay. Of course, I am not an uneducated person, and of course I know about Islam before, but I just didn't have opportunity to learn, because in Japan there are not many Muslims.
Yes,
so Allah gave me a chance to meet and get to know Muslim person. in Malaysia and south of Thailand. And
Jadi dia berkata peluangnya itu tidak banyak bertemu, berjumpa dengan orang-orang Islam di Jepun. Ya tapi masih mending di Jepun, geng ya. Maksudnya untuk apa, geng ya? Orang Jepun menerima Islam itu masih oke lah, geng, daripada di Korea. Betul tak? Itu sih kalau menurut dari sudut pandang saya, geng. Jadi apabila kalau dibandingkan antara Jepun dan Korea, ya masih mending Jepun lah, geng ya. Masih bisa menerima orang Islam, masih ada masjid di sana, geng. Kalau Korea sepertinya anti banget, geng, dengan Islam, geng ya. Betul tak? Nah, kalau saya silap mungkin boleh komen di ruang komentar lah, geng ya.
and that was a small guidance. It was not only one day. Just like the virulence of Quran, it took some time for me to get close to Islam.
Ini agak salah nih translate-nya nih.
After 6 months, I decided to convert to Islam. So for me, Quran is like textbook, like answer book for life. When you have some question or when you have difficulties, you open Quran and you find answer. Maybe it's not exactly, but they give you a hint to think more
clue,
and then
yeah.
try to find a way for the answer. Sometimes, of course, it's answer, but you open and then you always find a new vision towards life.
A lot of people have been like guessing, saying you officially quit the adult industry. So there were news like you being robbed and assaulted in KL. Was it true and what happened? Alrighty, so who we got here today?
I'm Ray Lil Black.
Ray Lil Black.
Ray Lil Black.
Ray Lil Black. What are you doing here in Malaysia?
So I am here for Ramadan. I call it praycation, praying vacation.
Jadi selama Ramadan kemarin itu sudah stay di Malaysia, geng, dia, geng ya, betul tak? Sudah mulai mengenal Islam selama Ramadan kemarin, geng, bulan-bulan yang lalu, geng ya.
Normally through our street interview, I ask people about their outfit, okay? So can you tell us about how much is your outfit worth from top to bottom? Let's go.
This is like $30. This is like $5. This is a gift. I would say less than 50.
Assalamualaikum, Ray. So we heard this your
Salam. Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. So we heard this your first Ramadan, right? How's it going so far?
This is my first Ramadan in my life. I'm thirsty and stuff, but I was worried a lot before I start Ramadan. But now I feel like I am guided and He is helping me.
Are there any challenges or obstacles ever since you started like practicing Islam?
Since I started practicing Islam, of course, my background is adult industry, and then some people not welcome, and then some people don't believe. But seriously, for me, it doesn't matter so much. But sometimes it's hard to know that some people are not welcome, and then get some harsh comments.
So what makes you decide to start learning about Islam?
Actually, it's very interesting because I went to Bali, I went to Indonesia, and then right after, coincidence, but I came to Malaysia, and then I met a very nice people here. The first time I came here 6 months ago, and then I wear hijab for the first time in Malaysia, and then right after this, it's coincidence, but I went to south of Thailand, which there are a lot of Muslim people live, and then these three things happen for a reason. I think I met these people, and then I would like to understand them, and then to understand them deeper, I want to study Islam because that's what they think is very important to their life. So I decided to study to understand them and to become a better friends.
Oke, sebelum saya tutup video ini, geng ya, aku akhirnya meremang, geng ya, ketika mendengar cerita dari Ray, geng ya, bukan Bang Ray, Ray, geng ya, Ray Lil Black itulah, geng ya. Ya, walaupun aib dia tersebar, sebab itu pilihan dia, geng ya, tapi Allah membukakan pintu hati dia, geng, melalui kehidupan Muslim di Malaysia, geng. Alhamdulillah. Dan oke, geng, sebelum saya tutup video ini, saya ada dua soalan bodoh ya, yang mungkin kawan-kawan boleh menjawab, geng ya. Nah, soalan yang pertama, dia kan bekas pemain Ahm ya, pemain film Ahm itu, geng ya. Pasti kan masih ada track record ya, maksudnya film-film dia yang dulu, geng. Lalu sekarang dia udah bertobat. Hukumnya seperti apa nih, geng, hukumnya, geng? Nah, ini karena saya orang yang bodoh, geng ya, tidak tahu hukum Islam itu sudut pandangnya seperti apa, geng ya. Maksud saya gini, geng. Oke, dia sekarang sudah berhijab, dia sudah menutup aurat dia sudah mu'alaf ya, beragama Islam. Tapi geng, track record dia, video-video dia nih mungkin masih ada geng, mungkin, nggak tahu geng, karena aku sama sekali tidak begitu mengenal artis ini geng ya. Soalan saya, hukumnya seperti apa nih geng? Nah, mungkin kawan-kawan di luar sana yang lebih paham geng ya, yang pandai dalam hukum Islam mungkin bolehlah komentar menjelaskan soalan saya yang pertama ini geng ya. Ya mungkin track record dia masih ada geng ya, dan itu akan ditonton berkali-kali, beratus-ratus kali maybe. Itu macam mana geng hukumnya? Apakah dia masih tetap berdosa atau stop, dosanya sudah di situ? Macam mana geng? Nah, kawan-kawan yang paham mungkin boleh komen geng ya di ruang komentar geng. Nah, lalu soalan saya yang kedua, aku tak pastilah aktris pelakon film Jepun ini dia sudah berkawin atau belum geng ya. Ini pertanyaan bodoh lah geng, ini maaf ya kalau saya memang salah berkata-kata. Dia berhijab, dia bermualaf seperti ini geng. Soalan saya geng, kira-kira untuk kalian yang ada di luar sana geng ya, apabila berkesempatan bertemu dan maybe berjodoh ya, apa yang akan kalian lakukan? Kalian akan bersedia menikahi aktris Jepun ini atau macam mana geng? Ya, aku hanya ingin tahu lah geng ya, sudut pandang kalian seperti apa, aku hanya ingin tahu. So itulah geng soalan ya dua soalan saya kepada kawan-kawan yang nonton video ini geng ya. Kurang lebihnya saya minta maaf yang sebesar-besarnya. Tapi luar biasa geng, salut ya, salut sebuah perjalanan spiritual yang dilakukan oleh Ray geng ya, Kak Ray Lil Black. Waduh, aku nggak tahu lah nama aslinya siapa geng, tapi itulah ya yang famous kan Ray Lil Black itulah geng ya. So macam mana geng, boleh komen lah, boleh komen di ruang komentar geng ya. Oke ya, sepertinya cukup sudah video kita kali ini. Thank you geng, terima kasih sudah nonton video saya dari awal sampai akhir, dan saya minta maaf geng ya, lagi-lagi saya minta maaf apabila mungkin kalau ada kesalahan kata-kata dari awal video sampai akhir video. Seperti biasanya kalau ada video menarik yang mungkin boleh kita ulas, kita edit sama-sama, silakan kirim video di DM Instagram. Dan akhirnya saya walonton dulu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I love you Malaysia, I love you Indonesia, I love you Ray ya. Semoga selalu tawadu dan menjadi muslimah yang baik, amin ya rabbal alamin. Bye bye geng.